Club. It's a showdown in North Carolina between the state government and the Justice Department in Washington over the state's new transgender bathroom law.
The government is threatening to take away billions of dollars in education funding unless the state changes the law by Monday. But North Carolina leaders aren't showing any signs of backing down. Heather Sells has the story.
North Carolina's new law applies to government bathrooms, and it requires people to use the one that corresponds with the sex on their birth certificate.
The bill is simply about protecting the safety, the privacy, and the welfare of women, children, and citizens in North Carolina.
But the U.S. Justice Department says the law violates federal civil rights laws. It says the state must change the law by Monday or risk being sued. And that could mean a loss of millions in education funding.
The Obama administration Justice Department is trying to hold North Carolina hostage, trying to hold students hostage, and that's really shameful. It's a shameful approach.
The Federal Civil Rights Act prohibits workplace and student discrimination based on sex, but different federal agencies now say the protections apply to transgender people. They say North Carolina's new law discriminates because it prevents transgender people from using the bathroom that aligns with their gender identity.
The DOJ coming out this strongly just reaffirms that this is a discriminatory law that the legislature should not have passed.
We do not think they have the legal right to do that.
State Republican leaders are showing no signs of backing down, and they're promising a fight.
They're a long ways from being able to do what they claim can be done.
The State House Speaker says the Department of Justice's threat is an attempt by the Obama administration to push a radical left agenda in his final months in office. The governor says it's a broad overreach of federal authority and that it impacts every state, not just North Carolina. Heather Sells, CBN News.
Well, that one's going to turn into a court case very quickly. The law that I'm very interested in is the one in Mississippi, which protects freedom of conscience. That one, if that becomes law, that will be the battle that we all need to look at. Can Christians live in our society and act in accordance with biblical values? And this isn't a conservative issue. This isn't a liberal issue. This is, are you adhering to Orthodox Christianity in what you do and how you behave? That will be a real test of our Constitution.